Have you ever noticed how some words have a special power? The power to stir us, to rouse us to action, to teach us, to show us the world in a new way. As master's students at the UAB English department, we perfect the craft of language. It's a flexible program, so we get to chart our own path through an array of fascinating courses, like our literature classes, where we study how books have expanded our sense of the world, and how they present challenging new ideas in compelling language. Or our creative writing classes, where we write novels, or poetry, or memoirs, or even picture books. Professional writing classes let us explore how writing helps businesses, or hospitals, or schools. Ever wonder about the science behind the words themselves? Take a linguistics class. Classes here are small, so we get to know our fellow students and our faculty. The faculty are warm and supportive, but also push us to think deeply and communicate clearly. We publish creative stories and write content for popular media. The department supports us if we want to present at conferences, and there are options for prizes and scholarships. But most importantly, we master the power of words. The UAB English department. Come join us.